Equation of linear graphs. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. What are linear equations? 2. What are the elements involved in linear equations? 3. What is the general and simplified formula of a linear equation? 4. How do we find the intercepts with the x and y axes? 5. What is the gradient of a line? How do we find it? 6. How do we find the equation of a line using the gradient? 7. How do we find the equation of a line with two known points? 8. How do we find the equation of a line from a given graph? Introduction. What is a linear equation? Why is it called so? How many variables are present in a linear equation? What are their names and functions? What are the other non-variable elements in a linear equation? What do they indicate? How to show a linear equation graphically? These questions and many more will be explained in this tutorial, which focuses entirely on linear graphs. That is all for Introduction to Equation of Linear Graphs. To start this tutorial, please watch the first lesson 14.3.1, Review of the linear equations concepts previously covered. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.com.